Hey guys, I just want to make this really quick update. So I did a video on installing this Harbor Freight winch on Kawasaki 360 Prairie. Come to find out, it was constantly killing the battery. So what I ended up doing, just to kind of give a quick update, is I installed one of these switches on the main power wire going to the winch. So I got a fill-in within this power box for the wireless remote control. There's always power to it. And supposedly that was killing the battery. So as soon as I installed this, I just pretty much flip that on whenever I'm ready to use it, and I'm good to go, and it doesn't kill the battery on the ATV. So I want to give that quick update. Hey guys, I also want to add this to it as well. Getting some questions on why I installed the winch in the back instead of the front. I specifically did it to work this box scrape, which works fairly well. So I'll kind of show you what I've done here. This is the wireless remote working here. So notice I got the power switch on, and then I can hook this for the hopping around. I can hook this direct to my box scrape. I just pick one of these sides like that, and then I have my remote. With my box scrape. And then also, of course, my previous video, I've added an in and out switch here as well. Works very well. Wanted to add this to there as well. Thanks guys.